Here's a trick how to turn your favorite Lecenté nail art ink into crystal clear 3D color gels. First, I'm starting with Lecenté 3D gel in a pot. This gel has a perfect consistency for nail design work. Scoop a little of free gel on your palette and then add a few drops of your chosen Lecenté nail art ink and give it a good mix. Because we're using nail art ink, you still get that amazing translucent finish, just like a pre-colored 3D gels, but with way more freedom. The powder will also work for the mix, but it will give you more of a solid color finish. And I just love how clear and glossy the nail art version looks. This is also a great way to use up those inks that were everyone's favorite last year. And now with the 3D design trending is a perfect time to bring them back in a new way. I have mixed 5 colors in 3D gel to match the 5 gel polish shades. For the design I was thinking peachy oranges, pink and corals, all for the vibrant carnival-inspired nails. And here's my final look. This design is just an idea, but you can get super creative with what you already have. Let us know in comments below if this little hack is helpful.